On May 28, 2025, a catastrophic storm struck Rawalpindi and Islamabad, Pakistan, unleashing what many described as the storm of doomsday. Within minutes, the skies turned pitch black. Then came the wind, howling at over 100 kilometers per hour, tearing through the twin cities like a monster unleashed. Trees were ripped from the ground, rooftops torn off, and power poles snapped like twigs. Massive hail pounded down, shattering windows and denting vehicles across entire neighborhoods. Roads became rivers. Power outages plunged entire districts into darkness. The storm hit with such violence it left no time to prepare, just run and take shelter. At least 17 people have been reported dead, and dozens more injured as buildings collapsed and debris flew through the air. Hospitals are overwhelmed. Emergency crews are working non-stop to rescue those trapped under rubble and restore critical services. Homes, schools, and businesses have been reduced to ruins. From the streets of Rawalpindi to the heart of Islamabad, the destruction is everywhere. Trees block roads, vehicles are overturned, and chaos grips the residents. More than 70% of the city's power grid was knocked out. Communication lines are down. The full scale of the disaster is still being assessed, but early estimates place the damages in the hundreds of millions of dollars. The government has declared a national emergency, with military and rescue forces deployed to help affected families and begin cleanup operations. This storm will be remembered as one of the most violent weather events in the history of Pakistan's capital region. It came without mercy and left behind a trail of heartbreak and destruction. Our thoughts and prayers are with the people of Rawalpindi and Islamabad as they begin the painful process of recovery.